In a vibrant forest filled with life, three parrots named Mitu, Kitu, and Tita soared high on the branches, their laughter echoing amongst the leaves. Each parrot had a unique quality. Mitu was clever, Kitu was brave, and Titu exhibited calm wisdom, binding their friendship tightly. One fateful day, panic gripped the forest as flames engulfed the trees. While fear threatened to tear them apart, the parrots remained steady, knowing they had to help a trapped squirrel. United in purpose, they quickly devised a plan to collect water from a nearby river. With each trip, they bravely doused the fire, inspiring other animals to join their cause. Ultimately, they saved the squirrel, demonstrating that genuine friendship and teamwork can conquer even the fiercest challenges. Their bond became a beacon of hope for the entire forest. #Create in Hindi.